Okay, so today we're going to be installing Vikingbags on this 2011 Dyna Street Bob. I've already put them one side on, but since I wanted you guys to see how they were packaged, since they come in this super nice package, so I kind of set it back in here. They come in all of this bubble wrap, which is taped in there tight, and they also come inside of this sleeping bag for your bag. I already installed the bracketry. You'll want to be very careful when you do this, measuring it all out and drilling the holes to get the bag aligned where you need it to be. So, again, I've already kind of taken this apart. You see here we have extra hardware that comes with the kit. You need your drill, a couple hand tools, nothing crazy. It comes with instructions, extra keys, and let's see if we can get this thing installed. So it comes with spacers. I'm not going to use them because I have a sissy bar mount. So I'm going to put that on first. Line these up. Using the factory bracket underneath. Get these all tightened up. I kind of skipped ahead because it takes a little while. It's hard to get the wrench in the back side here. We'll lock this. Sit the wife on the ground so you can see how they sit on here. Alright, so let's check these things out. So you got good fitment, plenty of clearance on your exhaust, plenty of clearance on your shock. These even work with, these are Bung King crash protection for your shock, so they're able to clear that fine. Plenty of room behind the back for your sissy bar mount to still work. No interference. They got a good locking mechanism here with key lock, so you don't have to worry about anybody stealing your stuff. They have an awesome inside. This material on the inside is padded and well stitched. I mean, there's plenty of room in there. They even have a small bag that velcros in. You can put, I don't know, your phone or whatever you'd like to put in here. Your wallet, you can stick it right back in there and get that out. All in all, super quality product from Vikingbags. So another thing that they come with is your hardware for your relocation kit. For your turn signals. We don't run turn signals on this bike, so this is your relocation bracket for if you need to move those, because normally they're mounted right here. Obviously they're not going to clear with the bag. We don't have them on this bike, so you don't have to worry about it, but I'm pretty sure that this is supposed to go to your factory tag mount on the back here and mount your turn signals off the side, either that way or possibly this way, whichever is going to look better for you.